Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. Now we have to solve class 10th exercise 8.2 question number 2nd, 3rd and 4th. We have to solve first question number 3rd. Question is given that sin 2a equal to 2 sin a is true when angle A is equal to 0, 30, 45 and 60. We have to find this is the correct value of A. So we put one by one this value in this question. So first we put angle A equal to 0. So sin 2 multiply 0 is equal to 2 sin 0 degree. So it will be sin 0 degree is equal to 2 into sin 0 is equal to 0. Since sin 0 degree is equal to 0. So sin 0 is equal to 0 and 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So the correct answer will be A equal to 0 degree. Clear? Now we have to solve this question. We have to know tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So we put this value in this question. So it will be 2 multiply 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Clear? 2 by root 3, 2 1 ja 2 upon root 3 whole upon 1 minus 1 upon 3. Clear? 2 by root 3, LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. Clear? 1 divided by 3 and becomes 3. 3 multiplied by 1 and become only 3. Minus 1. 2 by root 3 upon 3 minus 1 it will be 2. So 2 by 3. It will be reciprocal. So 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon 2. 2 will be cancelled out from 2 and it will be 3 upon root 3. 3 upon root 3 is equal to 3 root 3 upon root 3. We do rationalization of root 3 and becomes root 3 upon root 3. Root 3 cancel out from the root 3 and become, so 3 root 3 and this. So it will be, 3 into 3. It will be root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. इस 3 को हमने रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. सो इट विल बी कैंसल आउट फ्रॉम रूट 3 टू रूट 3 एंड आंसर इज द रूट 3. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ tan 60 degree. रूट 3 is the value of tan 60 degree. So the correct answer will be tan 60 degree. Thank you for watching this video.